Okay, I've got Seymour out at this lake outside of town. I just wanted somewhere quiet and distracting today. I don't know if you can see all those waterfowl, but I think it's going to be hard for her. So many ducks. So she's also excited to get out of the van. Got the long line. She has to work a little bit for engagement. Yes. Okay. I've got the leash a little bit too long right now. Slowly reel myself in. Not reef on her. Reduce her movement. Good shake. Got a friend with me too, so she's curious about that. Yes! Look at you! Remember that time we stood at Indian Battle Park and it took a whole hour for you to look at me? Yes! See, you're growing up! Okay. Yes! Or not. I'm just gonna move away. Seymour, come! Yes! Look at you, little babes. Good girl, wag your tail. Ooh, there we go. There it is. Yes! Listen to those ducks. Good thing Norman's not here. Yes? Yes. Yes. Good. Down. Yes. New environment, struggling, so quick release. Okay. Get back to do a few releases so she'll actually hold her down. Yes. Okay. It's okay to grab a lure. I don't feed it right away. Yes. Okay. Seymour, come. I have a sneaking suspicion she needs to pee, so I'm gonna give her a chance there. Yep. Come. Yes. What a good girl. Yes. 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 Okay. Yes. 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 Okay. Good job, babe. Lift. Good. Good job.